What if ignoring your Ecovacs Deebot T8 AIVI, mopping woes and that wonky wheel could lead to this? The no water dispensing combined with wheel malfunction is a fairly common headache we see with the Ecovacs Deebot T8 AIVI. The no water issue is often caused by a faulty connection to the mopping vibrator module. The wheel problem, on the other hand, can be traced back to the left wheel itself, which may have a damaged motor or internal gears. It can also be caused by some object stuck in the wheel, but for the purposes of this video, we will be focusing on its motor. Ignoring these issues means you're stuck with a vacuum that only vacuums, and not very well if it can't move properly. Plus, a struggling wheel can put extra strain on the motor and other components, potentially leading to more serious problems down the road. You might as well be pushing a regular mop around and buying those separately. But don't worry, RoboCare is here to get your Deebot back in tip-top shape. At RoboCare, we've seen our fair share of Ecovacs Deebot T8 AIVIs with these exact issues. Our trained technicians understand the intricate workings of the mopping system and wheel mechanics on this particular model. We don't just guess at the problem. We use a systematic approach to diagnose the root cause of the no water dispensing and wheel malfunction. Our repair solutions range from replacing the faulty mopping vibrator connector to repairing or replacing the entire left wheel assembly with genuine components. We make sure everything is properly calibrated and tested before returning your Deebot. But don't just take our word for it, let's get to the proof. Witness the transformation. The same Deebot is now mopping and moving like new. Perfectly clean floors and zero wobbling. That's the RoboCare difference in action. Our customer was thrilled to have their robot vacuum returned, working like new and providing a stress-free cleaning experience. Ready to get your Deebot mopping and moving properly again? Let RoboCare take the hassle out of your robot vacuum repair. Contact RoboCare today